5 benefits of eating dates early in the morning. Introduction. Dates, often regarded as nature's candy, are small, sweet, and highly nutritious fruits that have been enjoyed for thousands of years across various cultures, particularly in the Middle East and North Africa. Dates come from the date palm tree, Phoenix dactylifera, and their history dates back to ancient civilizations that relied on them as a staple food source. Today, dates are widely consumed around the world, not only for their rich flavor but also for their impressive health benefits. While dates can be enjoyed at any time of the day, eating them early in the morning on an empty stomach may amplify their positive effects on the body. Known for their high energy content, rich nutritional profile, and natural sweetness, dates are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, making them an ideal choice for a nutritious breakfast. In this article, we will explore 5 key benefits of eating dates early in the morning and why incorporating this simple habit into your daily routine can be a game changer for your health. One, provides a natural energy boost. One of the primary reasons people opt for dates in the morning is their ability to provide a quick and sustained energy boost. Dates are rich in natural sugars, including glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which are easily absorbed by the body. This makes them an excellent source of immediate energy, particularly when consumed in the morning after an overnight fast. Eating dates early in the morning can help kickstart your metabolism and fuel your body for the day ahead. Unlike processed sugary snacks that can lead to energy crashes, the natural sugars in dates are slowly released into the bloodstream, providing a steady stream of energy throughout the morning. This can help you stay alert, focused, and productive throughout your morning activities, whether it's work, exercise, or running errands. Additionally, dates are a great source of carbohydrates, which are the body's preferred fuel source. Carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, which is then used for energy. So, starting your day with dates ensures that your body has the necessary fuel to perform at its best, especially during physically demanding tasks or exercise routines. 2. Supports digestive health. Dates are known for their high fiber content, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps promote regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports overall gut health. Eating dates early in the morning can be an effective way to improve digestion and prevent digestive discomfort throughout the day. A single date contains approximately 2 grams of dietary fiber, and consuming them on an empty stomach can help stimulate the digestive system. The fiber in dates works by adding bulk to the stool and facilitating smoother passage through the intestines. This helps prevent bloating, indigestion, and constipation, which are common digestive issues that many people face. Moreover, dates contain both soluble and insoluble fibers, which have different benefits. Soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cholesterol. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to the stool and aids in preventing constipation. Together, these fibers create a balanced approach to digestive health, making dates an excellent morning snack for anyone looking to improve their gut health. 3. promotes heart health. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, making it crucial to prioritize heart health through diet and lifestyle choices. Dates, when consumed regularly, can be beneficial in promoting a healthy heart, particularly when eaten in the morning on an empty stomach. Dates are rich in potassium, magnesium, and copper, all of which play important roles in supporting cardiovascular health. Potassium, for example, helps regulate blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium in the body. High potassium intake has been linked to a reduced risk of stroke and heart disease. Magnesium, on the other hand, helps maintain normal heart rhythm and prevent arrhythmias, irregular heartbeats, while copper is essential for the formation of red blood cells and the maintenance of blood vessels. Additionally, dates contain antioxidants such as flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acid, which help protect the heart from oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries and reducing the risk of atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries. By incorporating dates into your morning routine, you can support your heart health and reduce the likelihood of developing cardiovascular issues later in life. 4. Boosts brain function. Eating dates early in the morning can also have a positive impact on cognitive function and brain health. Dates contain several nutrients that promote brain function, including B vitamins, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants. These nutrients work together to support memory, concentration, and overall mental clarity. The high potassium content in dates helps improve cognitive performance by promoting healthy nerve function and enhancing brain cell communication. Potassium has been linked to improved learning and memory, making dates an excellent addition to your morning routine if you're looking to stay sharp and focused throughout the day. Magnesium, another key nutrient in dates, is known to play a role in protecting the brain from age-related cognitive decline. Research suggests that magnesium helps enhance synaptic plasticity, which is essential for learning and memory. A diet rich in magnesium may help prevent neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Furthermore, the antioxidants found in dates help protect the brain from oxidative stress, which can lead to the breakdown of brain cells over time. By eating dates early in the morning, you provide your brain with the nutrients it needs to stay sharp, improve memory retention, and support long-term cognitive health. 5. Aids in weight management. While dates are relatively high in calories due to their natural sugar content, they can actually support weight management when consumed in moderation. One of the main reasons for this is that dates are rich in fiber, which promotes satiety and reduces hunger. Consuming a few dates in the morning can help curb cravings and prevent overeating later in the day. Fiber is known for its ability to slow down digestion and keep you feeling full for longer periods of time. By eating dates first thing in the morning, you can ensure that you feel satisfied and energized, which may help prevent the temptation to indulge in unhealthy snacks or overeating during meals. Moreover, dates have a low glycemic index, GI, meaning they release sugar into the bloodstream slowly, avoiding the spikes in blood sugar that often lead to hunger and cravings. This steady release of energy can help keep your appetite in check throughout the day, supporting your weight management goals. Dates also contain small amounts of protein, which, when combined with fiber, makes them an excellent snack for those looking to build muscle or maintain a healthy weight. The combination of natural sugars, fiber, and protein in dates can help balance your overall energy intake and promote a healthy metabolism. Conclusion: incorporating dates into your morning routine offers a wide range of health benefits that can significantly improve your overall well-being. From providing a natural energy boost to supporting digestive health, promoting heart function, enhancing brain performance, and aiding in weight management, dates are a nutrient-dense superfood that can help you kickstart your day on a positive note. As with any food, it's important to enjoy dates in moderation, as they are calorie-dense. However, their numerous health benefits make them an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their morning routine with a nutritious, wholesome snack. So, the next time you wake up, consider reaching for a handful of dates to nourish your body and set the tone for a healthy, productive day ahead.